One of the hardest parts of online marketing is figuring out which niche will actually make money. Most people waste months building websites, buying domains, and running ads, only to realize the niche doesn't convert. That's why ghost pages are such a game changer. With this method, you can test new niches fast, without spending money or building anything complicated. Ghost pages use Google's own free tools to rank quickly, so you can publish a simple page targeting a niche keyword like best skincare for men or easy side hustles for moms. Within days, you'll see if there's traffic, clicks, or interest. No waiting, no paid ads, no risk. If a page performs well, that's your signal to scale. You can stack more ghost pages around the same niche and start building a steady stream of free targeted traffic. This method lets you explore multiple niches at once, discover hidden opportunities, and focus only on what actually brings in results. To learn how to test and scale niches using this strategy, check out the Ghost Pages system through my link in the description and start finding your next profitable niche today.